A real estate broker shall be guilty of violating the provisions of RE 9646 or the IRR for utilizing the services of letter B. Real estate salesperson who has not secured the required accreditation from the PRC and PRBRES. Under Section 32 of RE 9646 and its IRR implementing rules and regulations, partnership or corporation shall regularly submit lists of its real estate service practitioners to the Commissions on Security Exchange Commission as part of its annual reportorial requirements. A concept of ownership which refers to the right of an owner to conserve, utilize it for the people. Steward. The retentions unit of landowner under the CARP is. The answer is D. 5 hectare for the landowner and 3 hectare per child who must be at least 15 years old and actually tilling or managing the land. A cash payment in kind given by the landowner or developer to tenants or farm workers or bona fide occupants affected by the DAR conversion. The answer, letter B, disturbance compensation. Filipino citizen can acquire by the patent agricultural lands of the public domain not exceeding 12 hectare. Refer to land devoted to or suitable to agricultural as defined in RE 6657 and owned by private, natural, or juridical person. Tandaan, pag naagani natural or juridical person, the answer is private land. It is an act of changing current use of land awarded under RE 6657. Pag changing current use, the answer is conversion. Ownership acquisition through will of the owner or testator. Pagtandaan, pag naagani ownership acquisition, the answer is divis. Donation is valid. Tandaan, pag donation, acceptance of donee, lifetime of donor. A real estate broker who accepts a listing from a client follows several ethical guidelines in his or her relationship thereto. Which one of the following is not applicable? The answer is should undertake to prepare an appraisal report of the listing as a part of service to the client. 3 of the following are tricks employed by an ethical or real estate broker when bringing clients to view their listing. Which one is not unethical? Tandaan, not unethical. Employing a cleaning company to freshen the smell of the house interior. The acquisitions of more lands adjoining the river banks due to the gradual deposit of soil. Tandaan, gradual deposit of soil, alluvium. It is the filling of submerged portion of the soil. Tandaan, pag submerged portion, the answer is reclamation. The following are the within the bundle of rights inherent to property ownership except the answer, right to buy back. Novice real estate broker has limitations that make it unethical to accept some listing. Which one does not apply? No database of regular clients. It provides that all agricultural lands that were already classified as commercial, industrial, or residential purposes before June 15, 1988 no longer needs any conversion clearance even if it is still devoted to agricultural activities. Republic Act 6657 or RE 6657. The Spanish mortgage law was blank upon effectivity of PD 1529 on June 11, 1978. The answer, discontinue. Torrens title is a proof of ownership, while blank it is the exercise of the attribute of the ownership. The answer, letter B, title. It is the right of the state to take a private property for public purpose upon payment of just compensation. Tandaan, right of the state, the answer is eminent domain. Refers to blank of public domain such as agricultural, forest, timber, and mineral lands. The answer is letter E, inalienable lands. The real estate transactions which are subject to value-added tax except list of residential properties exceeding per month per unit and annual gross receipt exceed. Charges in addition to basic tax that may be imposed by the BIR in the event that the violations shall be uncovered in the payment of capital gain tax, donor tax, and estate tax except 50% surcharge only. Real estate transaction exempted from value-added tax except sale of condo unit classified as a capital asset. The documentary stamp on list of real estate is 3 pesos for the first 2,000 or fractions thereof and additional 1 peso for every 1,000 exists per 2,000. Refers to the annotation on a title which serves as a notice that the property is being held in reserve for whatever court judgment may be rendered against the owner. Refers to annotation, the answer is lease pendens. The priority right of the tenant to buy the land located in the urban land reform area is rights to first refusal. A notice of adverse claim annotated on the title can be cancelled after the expirations of 30 days after its annotation by verified petitions with the court. Real estate service practitioner shall refer to real estate salesperson, broker, appraiser, assessor, consultant. Refers to a person who conduct valuations and possess necessary qualifications, license, ability, and experience. Appraiser. RA 9646 Real Estate Service Act has 45 sections. The schedule of fair market value in the municipalities of Metro Manila is prepared by B. Concerned municipal assessors. The following composed of the Board of Assessment Appeals in the City of Manila except City Provincial Assessor. BIR-RR number 28 to 98 provides that the ground floor of a condominium project shall be considered as a commercial and additional blank shall be added to an established at residential zonal value 20%. Section 30 of RA 9646 implementing rules and regulations state that all positions in the government requiring the services of registered and licensed real estate service practitioner shall within the years from the effectivity of the law shall be filled up only by such 3 years. Section 31 of RA 9646 implementing rules and regulations provides that real estate salespersons shall be accredited by the PRC and PRBRES under the license of real estate broker who at least have completed 2 years college and attend at least blank units and real estate brokerage seminar training. Pag salesperson gani, 12 units CEP. Section 32 of RA 9646 implementing rules and regulations state that there shall be at least one licensed real estate broker for every blank accredited salesperson. 20. Subject to the provisions of the Labor Code, corporation or partnership may hire the services of registered and licensed real estate broker, appraiser, consultants on the commission basis to perform the real estate services, and the latter shall be deemed blank contractor and not employee thereof, independent. An act regulating the practice of real estate professional, Real Estate Service Act of the Philippines. Special documentary requirements for conversions of agricultural land If the applicant is beneficiary of Agrarian Reform Program, the answer D, certificate from the mayor that the beneficiary has paid the taxes. Law regulations that the mandates of DAR, Agrarian Reform, to approve or disapprove conversions. Executive Order Number 129-A. Law authorizing Bureau of Lands DANR to grant applicants of land under the Public Land Act CE number 141 on the basis of their continuous occupations of alienable and disposable land of public domain. Pag naaga ni continuous occupations of alienable and disposable land for public domain, the answer is pre-patent.